what's up guys, it's Theyo from Final Concept, and this is the Itel Star 200 power bank. Now for 130 Ghana cedis, it packs some number of interesting features. But is it worth your money? Well, let's find out then. The product comes in a red and black box, which I love. And inside the box, we get the power bank itself and a single micro USB cable. That's all, not even a user manual. At the bottom are the specifications of the Star 200 power bank, and up top are the touch LED, micro USB and Type-C input port for charging the power bank, and two other USB Type-A output ports for charging other devices. On the left is the power bank for initiating charging and for turning on the torch. And on the left are the battery indicator lights. There are also these two tiny holes up here at the corner for hooking up wrist straps. Design wise, it looks like the Itel IPP81 power bank, which was designed by Oraimo. They both come with 20,000 mAh of battery, and they both have dual charge inputs and dual outputs. To me, they are basically the exact same thing with a slight design change in the orientation of the output and input ports. This power bank is made of plastic but has some great matte finishing on the sides, making it slip proof. This same texture makes it resistant to stains and scratches. Just a bit, but not entirely. The 4 LEDs on the sides have a 25% battery life with each light, with one light meaning 25% and 3 meaning 75%, and so on and so forth. And oh, it comes with this touch LED up here, which I believe is going to be useful one day. It weighs in at 0.5 kilograms, and even though I do not have the exact dimensions, you can see how similar it is to my 6-inch Samsung A02s phone. For the specifications, the built-in battery is lithium and has a capacity of 20,000 mAh or 74 Wh. It's universally compatible due to the USB charging interface. It charges via 5V direct current and output 5V and 2.1 amps worth of power for directly charging two devices simultaneously. Now with the two input slots, the micro USB and the Type-C, you don't have to worry so much about finding a cable. As long as you can find an Android device and a charging cable for that Android device, you should be just fine. But kindly note, if you have a USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable, you will need an additional adapter to connect to this, because the outputs for this are only USB Type-A ports. For the security, it claims to come with 10 layers of security protection, input-output over voltage protection, and battery over discharge protection. These features help to protect your devices and the power bank itself during these cycle charges, because we wouldn't want to have any form of spontaneous combustion on our hands, now would we? The 20,000 mAh battery is rated to charge an iPhone 11 and Samsung S10 up to 4 times and 2.4 times for the iPad 5 mini. Well, in my case, it was able to charge my 4,000 mAh Samsung A02s twice and still had some battery left. So I think you should believe them on their word. In comparison to the StandPower power bank that I've been using for about 3 months now, the Itel is much larger and slightly heavier, even though it is 10,000 mAh short in battery capacity. And unlike the StandPower, which can charge up to 4 devices at the same time using these included charging cables, this is only able to charge 2 at a go. So yeah, the big question, would I recommend this? Well, for 130 Ghana cedis, definitely. Initially, I had a problem with the fact that it charges quickly, but I was expecting some form of supercharge with this, but we don't get it with that. But for the price, I think it is a very good deal. 20,000 mAh seems like a large capacity for most devices. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and other channels which I have them linked below. And as always, don't forget to share with your family and friends. This is Theyo from Final Concept, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.